Hi Pink and Purple group. Today we're going to practice a sound we have already learned. We're going to practice a special friend sound. Special friend sounds are when we put two letters together and they make a new sound. Our special friend sound today is A. I'm going to say it and then it'll be my turn, your turn. A. 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 Good. Now I'm going to show you a picture that goes with the sound. When you see this, say, may I play? And when you see this, say A. Are you ready? Here we go. Very good. Fred's come out and Fred is going to help me to say some of the words. I'm going to sound it out and you're going to say it. I'm going to show you one or two. D-A, day. P-L-A, play. That was my turn. Now it's your turn. M-A, W-A, L-A, S-A, T-R-A, and S-P-R-A. Well done. Now let's see if we can practice saying the words, and I'm going to mix them with the other sounds. Are you ready? So here's A. I'm going to add A to all our other special friend sounds. Okay, here we go. Ready? I, E, A. Good. Point to it when you see it. U, O, I. Oh, very good. Let's shuffle again. Here we go. I, E, not that one. U, A, O. Very good. Let's practice our green words. We're going to sound it out. Fred says we're going to do some Fred talk, which means we're going to sound it out, start with a special friend, and then we might do some Fred in the head. Are you ready? Special friend, A, W, A, way. Oh, upside down. Here we go. Special friend, A. Ready? A, may. Special friend, A. D, A, day. Special friend, A. S, A, say. Getting a bit harder here. Special friend, A. Ready? P, L, A, play. Really tricky one. Are you ready? Special friend, A. S, P, R, A, spray. Very good. Let's do, Fred says, let's do some Fred in the head, which means you only say it when I push it out. Are you ready? I'm going to shuffle them up again. This time we don't see the lines and the dots. Are you ready? Good. Well done, everybody. That was excellent. So that was our green words. Those are our sounding out words. Let's practice our red words. Those are the words we can't sound out, but a lot are in families, and we've learned our sign language to go with it. Are you ready? We, me, be. They're all in the same family. She, point to a girl. Her. So, which is in the same family as go. Oh, this one's different. 2, 1. School. Now we don't have sign for this, but we do have a mnemonic. So school, children have only one life. Say it with me. School children have only one life. Well done. Over my was saw and were, which is both. Were. Well done, everybody. That was excellent. So we've done our green, red, which means it's time for our alien words. Fred says, let's do some Fred says, Fred talk. So we'll do it out loud, and maybe part of the way through, Fred might change his mind and tell us to do it in our heads. Special friend, A. And shh, ready? Shh, A, shay. That's a silly word. Special friend, A, K, A, K. That's the name of a girl sometimes. Special friend, A, T, A. Fred says it's time to go Fred in the head. So I'm going to show you, and when I point it, you're going to say it. See if it matches me. There are two special friends. Can you see those? Che. Silly word. Special friend. Blay. What a funny word. Last one. Special friend. Dray. Well done, everybody. So that's the end of our green, red and alien words, as well as our sound. Your job now is to go and do the sheet that I've put for you on the web. What you need to do is you need to practice writing A. You'll need to read the 4 words I've put for you and draw the pictures. And then I've put 2 words for mums and dad to stand out. Remember to use your Fred fingers. So if the word was play, would go P, L, A. So even though we know it has 4 letters, it only has 3 sounds, and we only give it 3 ticks. Okay, good luck, and I'll see you soon. Bye.